Hey everyone, Olivia here. I'm going to be talking to you about our Lifetune zone. Now, if you haven't seen any of our other videos talking about how to use our Lifetune products, definitely go check those out after this video. But today we're talking about how to use the Lifetune zone if you bought one and don't know what to do with it. The first way to use your Lifetune zone is to place it on your desk in your office, whether it's home office or at a desk in an office building. Another way to use it is in your bedroom, on your bedside table, near your phone, or on your dresser. This goes for any small space in your home. Another unique way of using your Lifetune zone is to put it in your wallet. It's the perfect size and fits perfectly in one of those pockets. You can take it out, remove it, and it also creates that perfect protection around you, your family, and your friends. That is all I have today for the Lifetune zone, but if there are any other ways of using this product, definitely leave a comment down below. And if you haven't watched any of our other videos about all the other Lifetune products, definitely go check that out to see all the many different ways of using our Lifetune products. Have a good one.